Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make soup of tomato at home, only way. Start by tightening flavors with roasted tomatoes, sautéed aromatics, and a splash of stock. Then blend until smooth and finish with cream or olive oil for silkiness. Taste and adjust salt, acid, and sugar to balance brightness. Serve hot with crusty bread and a sprinkle of herbs. Garnish as desired and enjoy. Share tips in the comments. Gather ripe tomatoes, onion, garlic, stock, cream or olive oil, salt, and a touch of sugar. Use a blender or immersion blender and a roasting pan. Chop and roast tomatoes to concentrate flavor, then sauté onion and garlic until translucent. Add tomatoes and stock, simmer, and blend until smooth. Finish with cream or oil, adjust seasoning, and serve with bread or grilled cheese for a comforting meal. It's simple and forgiving. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts. I keep a pair by the stove for quick tasting breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, it keeps recipes coming. Now let's get back to the video. Start by scoring tomatoes and roasting them at high heat until charred. This adds smoky depth. Sauté onions and garlic until soft, then add roasted tomatoes and stock and simmer 20 minutes to meld flavors. Puree until silky, strain if desired, then return to heat and finish with cream or oil, salt, and a squeeze of lemon or vinegar for brightness. Serve warm and garnish with basil. Enjoy a bowl with friends or solo.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.